Enterprise for Technologies. For our new viewers and new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. On this video, we will migrate the DHCP server from the router into the Linux DHCP server. So first, we will commission a DHCP server in a Linux VM, and then copy all the configuration from the router to the Linux. Next is to change the IP helper and the interface VLAN 10 and HQ and data AGG. And then we will ensure that the users can still get the DHCP from the new DHCP server. And then we will remove the configuration of DHCP in the router. So we will decommission this server, and it will become only a router. Alright, so let's start. Okay, first we will import the OS. So while waiting for importing the appliance, so this is what we're gonna do. So we install the DHCP and then configure the interface. Tell the DHCP server that you will listen to this port, and then we'll just copy the example and edit it later. So on the configuration, this is all the configuration: list time and max list time, make it authoritative, create a dummy local DHCP, and then the DHCP for VLAN 10 for HQ and AG data. Okay, so it's already imported. Let's add it to the VM box, virtual box. Before that, let me rename it. DHCP server. Alright, so let's edit the interface and allow. Okay. So the IP for this is /30. So just next to the TACAC server IP. Before anything else, let's I wanna test if we still the current DHCP server is running. Alright, so you're getting IP. So if we show, so getting an IP from 129. This one is excluded, so it gets 141. Other one, it gets 12. So the range, the excluded range is 1. Okay, so it's get 12. Alright, so on our DHCP, we'll be changing the range. We'll make this 20. So possibly it will get 21, and this one we will make it 150. Let's start on the VirtualBox. I'm gonna change the default user, so I'm gonna cut this video. Alright, so I created a new user. Let's log into this, and I'm gonna remove the default user. First, let's configure the interface. So I'm gonna use the IP address 158.1.8. Alright, let's configure on the router side. Okay. It's not yet here. Okay, let's propagate to the other side via core. Alright, so it's already here. So ping again. Okay, so you can reach the internet. Let's now install the DHCP. Alright, so let's now configure the ports where the DHCP will listen to. Let's copy the example file. Right. Now we can edit it. Alright, now it's the DHCP server is now running. Let's add them to the firewall. I think we need to enable this so that even after system restart, the DHCP will run automatically. Now that's running, let's go back to the routers and let's change the IP helper address. Okay, let's do first and the user 2. Let's do it again. Okay, let's see. Okay, request. Alright, so it get an IP of 150. Okay, so as expected, we get the that 150. Now let's go to second user. So show. So it's still 12. Let's change the IP helper. Right. So let's now DHCP. Let's capture that. Okay, with the discover and over with that. Alright, we get an IP. Okay, so we get a 20 as expected. So let's review. Okay. So for AG HQ, so expected 20. Then for the data users, right here, so 150. start at 150, it gets a 150. Alright, so that's it for our DHCP server. Now we can decommission the DHCP. Okay, so now we're successfully decommissioned. So save. Now we're successfully migrated it to a DHCP server VM. On our next video, let's have a iteration review and retrospective, and also we will have a iteration planning. So now we're completed this basic infrastructure. We have DHCP, we have TACACS, and we have NMS, and then we're connected to the internet. We have also users. What we're gonna do is to review and revisit what had been done, what are the changes that we need to do. Thank you. See you in my next video.